Hello everyone, it's Layla and welcome back to my channel. Don't mind me without makeup. I just wanted to film this unboxing video, and yeah, so you probably already saw that on the thumbnail and on the title. I'm gonna unbox the Canon PowerShot XS740 HS camera. I have it right here in my head right now. And let's get started with the unboxing. I decided to do some voiceovers to this video, but still want to keep it like ASMR chill kind of video. So yeah, just watch me unbox my camera. Okay guys, I'm back. So look at this beautiful camera. Like wow, look how the light is reflecting on the lens. Oh, amazing. The screen, wow. Okay, those fingerprints, don't mind them, but yeah, you can flip the screen. Love that. Perfect for vlogging or taking some selfies. Now I'm gonna show you guys the camera more in detail. So here's the HDMI connection plug thing. Yeah, and up there are the main buttons that you will need. The red button is for video recording. Next to it, the photo shooting button, the on and off button, and the other are the different modes that you can choose from for your selfies or your photos. This is for the flash. You will see that later. And down here we have where your memory card and your battery will come in, and right next to it is a hole for your tripod. put flash on? Yes. Oh. Hi guys, so I'm trying out this camera to show you guys how it looks like when I vlog with this camera. By the way, my eyebrows look so bad. It's just the next day. And yeah, so this is how it looks like. Let me go to the window maybe. Oh, okay. Like this. Filming random stuff to see how the quality is. So this is how it looks like. I still have this. It's like this. Okay, so that was it with the video filming thing. So it's really dark right now. I'm so sorry. I don't have any light that I can put on. I hate this light, so I'm not gonna put it on, but I have my laptop. Maybe that will help a little bit. While my battery was charging, you know, from this camera, I was doing a lash lift. I don't know if you could tell, but this is how my lashes look like. I did them myself, and I also just did my eyebrows, you know, eyebrow lift, eyebrow perm, eyebrow lifting. This how they look like. I still have to shape them and trim them, but for now I think it looks really good and I look so much better. I unboxed my new fucking camera and I'm so happy and grateful that I got this camera. My mom bought this for me as a gift. I thought now, because it's a little more darker, I'm just gonna show you guys how the pictures turn out in the dark, and I'm gonna put on flash obviously. So I was holding the camera the wrong side the whole time. Well, that was embarrassing. Let's turn on the camera. I just took a picture with flash and this is how it looks like. I think it looks so good. I don't know if it's focused because I am filming with my back camera on my phone, so I cannot see what I'm showing and if it's focused or something. Is it focusing? I think so. But yeah, I'm also trying to insert the photos in the video. I just have to figure out how. But yeah, I like it. Okay, now without flash. I kind of don't like that the flash here is green. I wanted like to have an orange yellowish flash thing. But well, okay, I guess. Is it focusing? Yeah, looks cute. I don't know if you can see it, but the camera is kind of blurring the face and everything else, which I like it kind of. I like that. I don't know if you guys like that, but I think I like that. Yes. So yeah, that was it. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it as well, and maybe it kind of helped you if you want to buy it. Like maybe you might want to buy it or not. Maybe there are other cameras that you might think are better, but for now I think this is a really good camera. I think it's so good, and I also think that is a very good alternative for the G7X that is like really popular. Yeah, the only thing that I just don't like is that you can't put any other or insert any other microphones on this camera, so it is kind of bad, bad for vlogging. Like if you want like to put like on top any microphone that is not possible. So if you want this camera for vlogging, maybe you want a different camera for that if that is really important for you. But I think for now I don't think it's that bad, because I also think that the microphone here is also pretty good. Like it's not that bad. And yeah, I also like this flash that is popping out. And yeah, I don't see any negative things about it at the moment. I just have to see how it will take pictures, how it will take videos throughout the week, because I'm bringing this camera to vacation. And yeah, I'm very excited to use this camera. So that was my unboxing video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell to not miss any of my videos. I'm definitely gonna upload more videos, so there are gonna be new videos upcoming, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, hopefully.